Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix real limit, how often you can do certain things on Instagram. First of all, I will tell you what are the reasons behind this. The first reason is you have violated community guidelines by using third-party app to increase your likes and followers. And the second reason is as that you have comment on something again and again, or you have followed or unfollowed someone and again. And the third one is you have shared a spam link. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to open Instagram. Here what you have to do is you have to click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines. You have to click on settings. After scrolling down, what you have to do is you have to log out your Instagram account. After logging out, you have to again log in and check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is again occurring, what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram account and again reinstall. If the problem is again and again occurring, the last solution is as that for this you have to again click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines, and after that you have to click on settings, and by scrolling down you can easily find help. By clicking on help, you will find report a problem. Here you have to report a problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you as soon as possible. Here you have to explain to Instagram team that what is the problem with you, and you can also attach a screenshot of the problem or the photo you have already taken screenshot from your gallery. After doing all that, you have to click on next and your problem will be submitted to Instagram team. Within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.